Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download Alight Motion on PC or laptop. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Using this method, you'll be able to create animations and graphics directly on your computer. First, go to your web browser and search for BlueStacks download. Then open the first link from the search results. Once you're on the BlueStacks website, click Download and wait for it to finish downloading to your computer. After the download is complete, open File Explorer, locate the installer, and double-click it to run. In the bottom right corner, you'll see an Install option. Click it and let BlueStacks install everything it needs. This may take a few minutes, so allow it to complete the process. When BlueStacks opens, if the Google Play Store doesn't launch automatically, click on Store. Then go to the top right search bar inside BlueStacks and type Alight Motion. Once it appears, click on it and select Install from Google Play. You'll be asked to sign in with your Google account since this uses the Play Store. After signing in, press Install and wait for it to finish. Once the installation is complete, you can open Alight Motion directly or return to the BlueStacks home screen and launch it from there. Click Get Started, and if the free trial pop-up appears, you can close it from the top right for now. To begin creating, press the plus icon at the bottom and start your first project. And that's it. So that's basically how you can download Alight Motion on PC or laptop. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.